I am dying. I have been fighting this disease for months now. I may die. They all know this. My mother sits by my bed praying all day. Sometimes I pity her. She has refused to accept my fate, but I have accepted my fate. My dance with death is near. My only regret is not leaving.
Feeling like the world is all ever in my mind. Try to understand. I'm feeling like the storm under coming is around. But God is more than all, more than all. Oh, God is able.
I'm tired. Enough with the prayers. Stop. Oh, stop. You're giving me a headache. Enough with the prayers. If God can hear you, He would have answered before now. Mom, stop. You're giving me a headache. Can you guys tell her to stop?
We should tell your mother to stop praying for your own recovery. What is wrong with you, Lovett?
That's Isabel, my best friend. She visits every now and then and tries to keep me abreast with the times and everything going on in her life. I stopped caring about the news or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, my favorite social media spot. Now social media reminds me about the good things in life and why dying sucks.
Babe, look, I understand.
You don't understand shit. You're not the one lying down here waiting to die. So don't tell me you don't understand. Look at my hands. Don't tell me you don't understand because you don't understand. That's my boyfriend Kenneth. We call him Kenny or Ken. He says he understands how I feel. I just hate it when people assume they know what I'm going through. At the end, they don't know the half of it. They do not have to lie here and watch chemo wreak every kind of damage to their body and hair. They are not the ones waiting to die. He doesn't have the right to say that to me.
I'm sorry.
In the name of Jesus. Amen. Love it. This is holy water blessed by my reverend. Yeah? Let's take it.
I'm tempted to tell my mom that her reverend can eat shit, but I won't. My mother will drag me to church for deliverance despite my failing health.
Oh, you keep giving me bile every day and I'm tired of taking it.
I cannot bile. It is holy water, healing water. Please just take it, okay?
Gosh, I don't...
You have to take it. Leave.
Gosh. Traitors. Okay, I just want to be left alone now. I'm tired.
Bobby, why? Just go ahead.
Mommy, you've been here all day. I want to be left alone.
I'm not going anywhere.
Mommy, you have to. I'll call the doctor. I want to be left alone, please.
Oh, just...
Okay, baby.
Okay, baby girl. Please take good care of yourself, okay? I have to go. Just be good, please.
Someone is in a bad mood today.
I'm just tired.
It's okay. I don't understand.
Ouch, 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 stop, stop! What are you doing?
You have to stay still for us to walk, Mr. Okoye.
Look, I don't need this, okay? I don't need chemo. Chemo has not helped me in any way before. I do not need chemo, okay?
Calm down. This is the reason why you are here. Your case is critical and you need to leave.
I don't need anything. Get out.
You cannot be negative now. A little positivity and prayer will go a long way, okay?
What has prayer done for me? Answer me, doctor. You have the right words in your mouth, right? What has prayer done for me? I said I don't need it. Get out! Both of you, get out!
See, we have to connect this to your arms. You already took anti-nausea medication and steroids. You are here to get well, aren't you?
Aren't you listening to me? Huh? You don't hear anything I'm saying, right? Get out. Get out!
Let's go.
Yes, I'm good. Thank you, thank you. Mom, don't worry. I'll take it from here.
What? You mean I should leave you there?
Yes, Mom, I'll call you when I'm ready to return from school.
No, I'm not leaving you there.
Mom, I have a working phone here. I'll call you when I need you.
Stop rolling your eyes at me.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you. I got this. Okay, yes. Bye. I love you. Love you too. Bye.
Are you good?
Yes, I'm good. Yeah.
No more worries, no more fear.
Mom, I got this.
We'll be here. No more worries, no more fears. I will help you. We'll be here.
Hello? Hello? Hi, my name is Loveth. Loveth Chidi.
What is it about?
So I've been seeing you around. I thought we could be friends since we are both
Answer patient. I don't need friends.
everyone needs friends.
Well, I said I don't need friends, okay? What do I need friends for? I mean, if you've not noticed, we are both dying men and we're going to die very soon. Today, tomorrow, anytime. What do I need friends for? Not now. Just let me have my peace.
Dying sucks. I know this because I'm on its waiting list. Terminally ill people find it extremely hard to accept their fate. Some blame it on God, and some carry their anger to their death, refusing to forgive God for letting this happen to them. This young man is one of the men who has refused to accept his fate. I was once like him.
Who's there? Come in.
Hi.
Hi.
I came to apologize for the other day.
It's okay, I understand. I mean, it's not easy to be hit by this disease and still be normal.
Yeah. My name is Michael Okoye.
Loveth Chidi.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
See you're having some fun.
Care to join me?
It's okay, maybe next time.
Okay,
I would see you around.
sure.
Bye.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for giving me. All right.
Hey.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Good. How was work?
Work. Just tired.
Sorry.
How are you, honey?
Good. I'm just tired too.
You've been stuck in here all day, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me take you on a walk, alright?
Babe, you know I can walk, right?
I know that, but this is going to be a long walk. I don't want you getting tired.
Wait, are we walking out of the hospital?
No, we're not.
Okay, you know if I get tired, you would back me.
Big baby. I'll do that. Come, let me get you a wheelchair.
Babe, I can walk.
No, I'm
No,
still
I
going to assist. Take it easy.
So, I can walk. I can lift myself.
You're still a big baby. Easy. Easy.
What are you doing?
I'm good. Hanging in there.
Alright.
Hi.
Oh, sorry, I didn't introduce you my boyfriend Kenneth. And Kenneth, Michael.
Michael. Nice to meet you. Kenneth. Nice to meet you. We're just taking a walk.
Alright.
I'll
See
see
you
you,
soon.
yeah? Alright.
See you around. Bye.
Babe, you know I can walk, right? Why are you not responding?
You're slowly becoming best buddies with that cancer guy.
With who?
The cancer guy.
The cancer guy. I don't understand. Why call him the cancer guy? Why define someone by their disease? Would you even call me behind my back? The cancer girl? No, then what do you call me? Gosh, I'm incredibly disappointed in you. You're mocking a sick and dying man because you're jealous? Just
I'm
No,
sorry.
no.
I'm
Just
sorry.
Why must you call him the cancer guy? Couldn't you have just said maybe?
I'm sorry.
Just
hold
sit
on,
there, just
hold
want to
on.
go back to my room.
Okay.
Why must you call him the cancer guy? Couldn't you have just said?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So, you weren't looking too good the other day, so I felt to come check on you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Thanks. How are you doing?
Yeah, my heart failed twice.
My God. So sorry.
Yeah. So how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You know, it's a miracle I'm still walking down this hallway.
Pray for many more miracles.
Amen.
So sorry. Do you feel better now? Just a bit. Sorry. Oh wow, you read?
Yes, I do. I mean, it helps to minimize the boredom.
This is one of my favorite books.
Which one is that? Oh, I'm yet to read that one.
Oh, really? Oh, it's full of twists and turns and suspense. In fact, the ending will blow your mind.
Okay, definitely. That's my next read.
Yeah, I can just start reading it to you now. No, it's fine.
You don't take no for an answer, do
I
you?
don't. I hardly. So, when I started this book, I read it in less than 2 days.
Okay.
Yes, in less than 2 days. Don't worry. Boom! Oh gosh, Isabel, stop it. Stop, Joe. You scared me. Stop.
You were so deep in thought that you didn't even see me walking. Are you okay? You know you can talk to me, right? What's wrong?
I've been having suicidal thoughts a lot lately. Sometimes I just wish I could bring down these burglaries, jump off these windows, poof! Just end my life. What? You're closing it. Closing the blinds doesn't change anything. It doesn't change anything.
I never want to see this window open again. And please, stop having stupid thoughts build in your head. Please, babe, think positive thoughts only. And always remember that you can only beat this if you stay fighting. Please.
Yeah. Thanks for this frame, by the way.
You're welcome. You'll be fine. Alright? So, did I tell you?
What?
Sonia is getting married.
Really?
Yeah, and the wedding date is for next month.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, that Smolly bagged a husband for herself. And I've been praying for years for one, and I couldn't even get a boyfriend.
Please, you have the chance to get one. I don't. I don't think I'll live long enough to get married.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
I didn't mean it that way.
I understand. It's just that you healthy people, you worry yourself about irrelevant things. You don't appreciate what you have, the gift of life, the gift of sleeping and waking up. It's a blessing from God. At least your life is not hanging on a thread. Dead people, they worry about nothing. Yet you're worrying about marriage, about kids, about money. I just think you should just live your life. Be grateful. Be grateful to God. You can sleep and wake up and just be happy.
Yeah.
That's just what I think, really.
You know what?
What?
I am so proud of you. You know, your strength and resilience are unmatched. You have such a revamped view of life. And I remember how you used to worry about something as little as a pimple.
Yeah, that's when there's no timeline in your life. You just worry about irrelevant things. Now I know better. I'm grateful for each day I get to breathe.
You'll be fine,
Yeah.
all right?
Yeah.
Even the universe is fighting by your side.
I know that. But can you sneak in some ice cream for me?
Ice cream?
Yeah, nobody will know.
Okay.
Are you contemplating suicide?
The thoughts did cross my mind.
So, why don't you just wait for the disease to do its job? I'm sure to do a far better job than you. Instead of rushing yourself to death.
The thoughts did cross my mind, but I will never. Because I have a lot to live for. I have a lot to do outside here.
Nobody wants to die. I mean, even Biggie said it. Nobody wants to die. If I go, you better go. Nobody wants to die. Let the gunshot. You know Biggie?
I just know he's big.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking of, make like a wish list.
A what?
A wish list, like a bucket list.
Oh, I get. You want to get a list for your burial.
Don't be silly. They're just things I'd love to do if I eventually get out of here. Hopefully.
Okay.
But I've been thinking of doing. Why don't I just write it now? It's been on my mind for a very long time. I don't know why I just keep postponing and might as well just do it. Remember, I keep this here, so sometimes I'm inspired to write things, events and everything, so this becomes handy. Yeah, there's a lot I'd like to do if I live here, but I've just been slowing down on some things. Make plenty of this. And
can I see it?
Of course you can't.
Why?
You can't. Why don't you just write yours?
No.
You can.
No, not me.
Why not? Just write yours.
No.
Just write it.
No, why?
It doesn't
No.
change anything. just write. Michael, look, you have nothing to lose. Besides, we might not even live long enough to do these things. Just do something out of the box. There are people you want to see if you eventually live here, places you like to visit, people you like to love more and all. So think. I got another pen here, so.
Okay.
I would love to see how my life and take a new just
you know what?
What?
I would give this to you on one condition.
What's that?
That you don't open this until I leave here, or better still, until I die. And two, if I die before you, you get to fulfill everything in this wish list and yours. And vice versa, if the case is reversed. What I'm trying to say is whoever dies, the other person would have to fulfill the other person's wish list. And yes.
And if we both die?
Then the list dies with us.
Okay.
So, deal?
Yes, deal.
It's nice doing business with you.
Nice doing business with you, Mr. Marco. But I'm not done writing though. I think I'll just relax and write mine.
Yeah, I should probably do the same thing in my comfort zone.
Write mine.
But I'll put this in an envelope and you can open it. Okay?
Okay, I'll
try. No matter what happens, nobody opens anybody's.
Okay.
Okay.
I just need a friend.
Wait.
I just need a someone. Just a need for a long run. Someone who will care. I just need care. I just want us to love. Need us to talk much. Need us to walk. If we are no brothers, what are we then? If we can stay together, what do you want then? If we are no brothers, what are we then? If we can stay together, what do you want then? If we are no brothers, what are we then? If we can stay together, what do you want then?
A penny for your thought. Finally, you notice me.
I always notice you, Michael.
You know you have beautiful eyes, right?
Thank you. But I'm afraid this disease has filled them with worry.
But they're still so beautiful. Look, this disease does not own us. And you cannot allow it to decide who you are.
Coming from someone that is always negative, that's a change. That's a good one. But to be honest with you, this disease owns us and it has defined our lives. We're just a timing bomb waiting to explode.
You know I'm not always negative. I'm just angry. This disease does not decide who I am. And you shouldn't let it decide who you are too. No. Look, I have a cancerous tumor growing in my lungs. I'm on stage 3, cancer. But hell, I would not go down without a fight. I'll fight it to the very end. All my strength and all my might. And that's why I'm here. Getting the chemo, trying to survive. The doctors say I would progress to stage 4 soon. But here I am, clinging on to life.
That's amazing because when there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, I don't believe that. Look at us. Don't you have a will? I have a will. I mean, we both have will. But where is the way? There's no way.
That's true.
Tell me about yourself. I only know you by your disease. Who were you before this? All of this?
My name is Loveth Chidi. I also have lung cancer. I'm on stage 2 and it may advance to stage 3 according to the doctors. I'm just angry. And I'm angry because I lived a boring life. I ate healthy. I was never open to exploring life. I was careful about life. I was careful about everything. And when this disease came, so I was really broken. I was careful about life. I just let life pass through me. I was living life like a zombie. I thought if I lived carefully, I'd live longer. And if I lived life decently, I'd live long enough to get married to a good man. But look at me, I didn't know life had other plans for me. Plans I wasn't expecting at all. I'm really angry, I'm upset. I'm angry, but I just don't want to live life. I'm really angry, I'm upset. But I just don't want to die angry at the world.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
What's funny?
It's just looking at you. You're such an optimistic person, and it's just a relief knowing that I'm not the only angry person in the world.
No, I told you it's hard to be optimistic when your body fails you every day.
You know what really hurts? What hurts is the fact that we're alive today. Tomorrow we might just be dead. It's life throwing lemons at you. Lemons that you cannot turn into lemonade. You just have to swallow it. It's bitter, sour taste. Life throws these lemons at you and expects you to turn it to lemonade, but that's a conversation for another day. You know, today we are alive. It's just as if we come into life and we only come into life just to die. Because you walk through life and you experience life, and death is waiting. We're all gonna die. That's life throwing lemons at you. Lemons that you cannot turn into lemonade.
That's so true. Life is sweet, yet sour. We just have to accept our lot. And for people like us, when we get to live each day, you sleep, you wake up the next day, it's a miracle. But I'm here with you. So we're gonna fight this deadly disease to the end together. This is time for you to have your bath. Love it. Baby, it's time for you to have your shower, yeah? Okay? Yeah, come. Yeah. Let's go have a shower.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I just need a shower.
Okay. I just came to check on you.
Just...
It's alright.
What? Are you okay? Nurse!
Call the doctor, please. Nurse! Prayers. I know I don't believe in prayers, but love it does. Father, please, for this sake, please heal her, deliver her from this illness. Please, let's not lose her, dear Lord. Let's not lose her. I know I have done terrible things. I have sinned against you. I have done the most ungodly things, but they say you are a merciful God. They also say that you're the giver and you're the taker of life. Father, please give her life. Please don't take this life away from her. Please, Lord, let her live. Right now she's hanging in the thin line of between life and death. Father, please give her a second chance. Whether I have believed in you or not, oh Lord, but this is the time for you to show that you are real, that you are a just God. Father, please, let her not die.
Thank you, Jesus, because I already know that my daughter is healed. I know she is healed. She is healed. You will not die. You will not die. I will celebrate you. You will see the end of this sickness in the name of Jesus. Nothing will happen to you. With this, your leg, you will go home with me. You will go home with me.
How is she?
She will be fine. She will be fine.
Doctor said this 50-50 chance. She's still in danger.
She's not in danger. My daughter is no longer in danger. I'm standing in the gap for her. I decree and I declare that nothing will happen to her. She will go home with me. Before that death will kill her, you have to take me.
She is very lucky to have you by her side. Very, very lucky because you are a formidable force. And as far as God is alive, she would be alive too.
Yes, I know. I know she will. Thank you very much. That I will not die. You will not die. My God will not forsake me.
Try to understand. I'm feeling like the storm and the government is over.
Love it.
Cause God is able. More than all you think you can do. Yeah. God is able. But to know.
What you cannot
More than all. God is able. But to know.
Thank you.
More than all you think you can do. God is able to do more than all.
Yeah, you've been away for 5 days, but now you're okay.
Try to let myself up and a little lonely.
Dear God, thank you. Thank you for restoring Lovet's life. You have shown that you are indeed a merciful God, and this is indeed a miracle. I know I have burnt bridges. So many bridges I can't even count. But Father, today you have proven to me that you can make a burnt bridge whole again. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.
No. Your mouth. Eat it now. Huh?
I just came out of a 5 days coma. Once I get like a cheat day, something I would like to eat.
Okay, what is it you would like to eat?
Pizza? Shawarma?
Love it. Oh, okay. Maybe I will order for the veggie type. It's healthy.
Is it like you don't know what a cheese means?
No, I don't know, and I don't want to know. All I am interested in right now is you getting out of this bed and getting on with your life. What? No, you had a life. You even had a good one. You had a good job. You had friends. And you're saying you don't have a life? You have to be grateful for the little things you had, love it. Life is too short. I mean, look at us here. Huh?
I'm sorry.
No, you don't have to apologize to me. A heart of gratitude goes a long way. See, you have to be grateful for waking up every day. Because I sing praises to God every single day that I see you wake up.
Hi, champ.
Hey.
Oh.
Good evening,
Welcome.
Hey.
Good to see you're back.
Thank you.
How are you feeling? Yeah, that reminds me.
You care for some?
Okay. So that reminds me. You're going to get a pen and a paper. And you're going to write down all the fun things that you want to do. And we're going to take them one after the other until we finish every single one of them.
We can't, we're both sick.
Yes, but I mean, watching you on this bed looking lifeless just made me realize that life is short and we have what is left of it, so...
And what would that list entail? Because this one that you people are talking about fun things, I hope you're not planning on skydiving, no?
Yeah, you can be our chaperone. And this adventure won't kill.
I volunteer gladly.
Oh, so you're interested?
Very much.
Yeah, Dilitus. Dilitus.
Oh God.
Nice to see you again.
Baby girl! Look at my baby girl! Oh my God! I'm so scared.
I'll just fix Mary.
Hey baby.
Okay, you. God. I'm so happy. But I lost you there. Okay, you.
Even though you live the past, it isn't fine. I will guide you to the point you're satisfied.
I'm counting 8,000.
Even though you've done wrong, I'm just there.
You can say that again. Are you careful?
No, now we should get her pizza.
As if you knew.
Yes. You can finish that.
No. We need pizza.
Yes, I want pizza.
Let me see.
very happy that today we are breathing the same air, not connected to artificial oxygen.
I'm glad to.
I'm gonna try something fun.
Like what? Wait! No, that's cheating. That's cheating. Come here. That's cheating.
Once you come, meet me here.
No.
Okay.
You come back here. Sorry. Come back here. We'll start. Start the game.
How about?
No, that'll be it. No, that'll be it.
It's not bad.
No, it's not advisable.
I
Let's
still
not
have
do
some
that.
energy left here.
Wait! Wait, that's not advisable!
Who said so?
Why? Wait, sorry! Sorry! Oh my god, that was damn a thrill!
Oh, you liked it?
Yeah!
Okay, so how about we try something tomorrow? Date? Tomorrow? Yes. Why would they allow us? We are adults. And besides, who knows how long we have left on this beautiful earth.
So yes, I'll go to
6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yeah. Okay, so I still have. Come on.
Don't worry, wait, don't
Are you
worry.
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay,
I'm sure.
let me see what you have. What are you doing?
Oh, I can't hear this. Wait, why are you getting yourself worried over this date?
Stop, I'm not getting myself worried. I haven't been on a date in a while. It's important, it's a big deal. I have to look good.
Then you would have told your boyfriend to take you if you must go on a date. And me like this, I don't support premarital affairs.
I'm not married to Kenneth. Am I married to him? It's not like I plan on going to cheat on him. Oh, look, we're both sick. We just want to have fun. Make something out of this moment. And we can't just sit down waiting to die. We can't.
Stop it. I've told you to stop talking about it. You're not going anywhere. I'm just worried about you getting worked up over this date.
But I'm worried that you're not even helping me, and I know who to call right now because... I'm sorry, I can't bend down. Thank you, Mom. So why are you now burning? Yeah. Hello, Isabel. Hi, darling. Look, babe, I need your help.
What is it?
Okay, so I have a date and I'm confused. I don't know what to wear. I'm just thinking of wearing my hospital gown there. I don't know.
You have a date?
Yes, I do. Exactly what I just said.
Oh, wow. With that cute guy, right? What's his name again?
Michael.
Oh, yeah, Michael. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be there in 20 minutes. Bye, baby girl.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Thank you. You see, Mom? So I'm thinking, would you think that I do a loud and simple makeup?
Just leave me alone.
Are you helping my nails? You fix a longer one for me? Oh, I'm just happy I'm going on a date. That's it.
Hello.
Hey! How are you? Why are you bringing all these boxes?
I have a clothing here, wig, makeup, of course, to glam up your face.
I don't understand makeup. You want to make me up? I was just joking with my mom that I wanted makeup. I don't want it.
Why? You need to look beautiful. You're going out.
It's not a good idea. I can't.
Even the cups can be made up, my darling. Don't worry. I'm going to make you look so beautiful. Don't worry.
I will use foundation and cover up this. It will come out so beautiful and you're going to look so beautiful.
How can you use foundation to...
Yes, of course. I will use foundation and cover it up. Don't worry. It will come out. Mommy, it will come out. I just want her to look beautiful. She's going out. Just watch me, girl. I know be celebrity makeup artist for nothing, girl. Just watch me.
Yeah. She said she want love, and she want love. So fine, yeah. So fine. Baby, I cannot. Been thinking long now. You're the one, the one, yeah. Baby, loving me, so many times I feel, so many. You make me so mad, you make me so hot. Girl, you make me so emotional, but I still love you like that. Me each other, yeah. Oh no, baby, I wanna let you know that my heart and my soul wants you to be close to me. I'll never let you down for it. You'll be the one for me, baby. I've never seen a woman that make you smile like the way you ever make me do. The way you make me wanna make yourself into. Baby, you made me one of the finest men. I treat you like the finest girl. Like I never found a woman I would treat me so that I'll be the best in you. I'll make you my main man, even when I can't cry. I'll get a kitchen, get a nigga, baby. I'll get a kitchen, I'll get a kitchen, yeah. I'll get a kitchen, I'll get a kitchen. Oh no. Zombies because of the oxygen tank.
I know, right?
Yes.
Oh, wait. So you used to fantasize about having sex with terminal shit? Really? Hey. You're beginning to give me the psychopath vibes.
Mom. Yes, so watch now that she can't be saying that so loud and
Seriously.
in public.
Oh, seriously.
Well, you know those American movies we used to watch back then? You know, where you always had a story that had to do with love and terminally ill people.
Jesus Christ, I'm watching those movies. All you can think of is having sex. Normal people cry watching those kind of movies.
Voice down. Yeah, Mom. I hope she's not very well, it's not like I don't fantasize about having sex with you. It's just that I don't fantasize about sex with you because you're terminally ill. It's because I have deep physical attraction to you. Okay. Had fun. And thanks for coming and with me.
Thank
Accepting my invitation. Where the Well, I have something planned for tomorrow.
Really? So amazing. I can't wait. Well, my mom will come with us.
Well, I also she did very well. Sure.
My mom is very mischievous. Mom said we're home. We didn't die. I'm good. Just go.
You said you would let me be, no matter how hard. How hard I try to show you that I'm nice. You gonna let me be, anyway so bad. I try to understand you.
Maybe we should go check on him.
I should go check on him, right?
You said you let me be, could be a friend.
I don't know, I'm nervous.
I try to let you see more than I will. You won't let me be anyway I am. I try to understand you. I try to understand you.
You make me feel so sad. You make me feel so down. Oh, I am better than what you see.
He's my friend. He is my friend. No, I need to be here. Michael, you can't be here now. Wait, I'm his friend. I'm his friend. I can't be here. No, hold on, Michael. Love it. Michael, are you okay? No, ask him. Michael, I can be here, right? Doctor, I can be here, right? Michael. Love it. Michael, I can be here, right? What is wrong with him? Michael, are you okay? He's fine. Wait, I can be here. He will be fine. Wait, Michael. Please, wait, no, Cynthia, just hold. I can be here. Just please. Michael, are you okay? Love it. Michael, okay, no, wait. Michael. He will be fine. Michael. Have you seen my mom? She went to see the oncologist. Are you okay?
No. Are you okay?
I'm just a bit tired.
It's okay, I understand. Come on.
What about me? It's okay, babes. It's okay. You'll be fine, right?
But I found it back.
Huh?
Don't worry, he'll be fine, okay?
What if he's dead?
No, don't say that. No. Please, you need to sleep. Eh? Let me just rest my head here before nurses will come and catch me. No, it's against their law. Yeah. Come on, man.
Fine now.
Sorry, what happened?
Well, they said low blood count and nausea, right? But I'm fine now.
I'm really happy to see you. I'm just so sorry. The universe is fighting with you. Okay? Gosh, I'm so excited to see you. I'm really happy.
So what are we doing today?
No,
what's that look?
We're not doing anything. You're just recovering.
No. We're going to do something every day and every day, okay? Every day must count.
No, we're not doing
Look,
anything.
that's why we're going to keep it within. Whatever I'm doing, it's going to be within the hospital, okay? All right?
What do you plan on doing?
You see.
What? What are we doing?
You see. That's why I have a phone. There's an internet in here, right? So we can watch a movie.
Sweet love. One time.
That makes sense.
One time for my baby. See you go. Baby, where you dey go? I go like to follow you. Anywhere you dey go.
No.
Oh my God.
Come make we
No. Now she's gonna kiss it. No, don't do that. He doesn't look.
If your love costs you, I want baby. Waiting I go do good. Ready to buy good. Ready to go on good. Your love don't cost you, I want baby. Waiting I go do.
I have a boyfriend. I can't.
I understand. What? Look at this.
Wait, didn't I just realize something?
Yeah, what is that?
I really don't know you too well. Like, I don't know anything about you.
What is there to know? My name is Michael Okoye.
I know
6'2".
I know that.
Tall, fair, and handsome. You got dimples.
Where is it?
And 32 nice teeth.
One gone. 31.
Where? Well, my mom, man. What
Your
you see?
family? Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to pry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I have parents and a brother. We're not in speaking terms. But yeah, I don't like talking about them.
Yeah, I understand. So that's why I don't see them around.
No, I mean we have doctors here and nurses to take care of me. For instance, she does a really good job at it.
She
So
does.
I think I'm good.
I tell you it's okay. Together we'll stand.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were coming around today.
I help you stand.
Since when did I start needing an invite to see my girlfriend? It's okay.
we're just chatting and watching a movie.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Really? Love it. All the giggling and laughing? Nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
What is this? You're cheating on me with him?
What's that supposed to mean?
He's sick. He's dying.
So am I. So am I, Kenneth. I'm also dying. Why the hell are you still with me? Kenneth, why are you still with me? If you don't care for sick people, why the hell are you still with me? He's gonna die, so am I. I'm also gonna die. Don't tell me you're sorry. Why the hell are you with me if you don't care for sick people? Because I'm gonna die someday. Just get out. Get out. Just no. Can I just go? Don't come close to me. Just leave the hospital.
I'm sorry.
Just go.
Please. It's okay. Just take it easy.
Just leave the hospital premises. I'm gonna call the security or you just get out. Just go.
Hi, babes. Love it. All right, I'm here. Ice cream. Let's go ice cream. Easy. I'm okay. Are you serious? Thank you. Why is this hard? Take it easy, please.
Come here. You know, I keep telling my mom that having ice cream twice a week won't kill me.
Easy.
I'm telling you, it will just help me replace the weight I lost due to chemo. I need some calories in my life. Even the doctors told her, but yeah, she still say, no, she can't take ice cream. No, she can't take ice cream. The doctors were like, let her take. She said, no.
Oh, really? If that's the case, I'll be sneaking in some ice cream for you. You know I know how much you love ice cream, right?
You know I can kiss you for this. You know.
Ew. I don't swing that way.
I know I don't swing. Thank you.
Babes, Ken told me what happened, what he saw.
Did he tell you how he wished Michael would die because he's sick? Or he doesn't think same about me because I'm his girlfriend?
Babes, you know how Ken is now.
No, please, can you just stop, please? If he wishes Michael death because he's sick, then he also wishes me death. How the hell is he still with me if he thinks Michael is going to die? He also thinks I'm also going to die.
Babes, you know he loves you. And he was just jealous.
He was jealous?
Yeah.
Did you just say jealous? Look, Isabel, if he loves me, then he will love every sick person out there. He would empathize with them, not wishing them death. How can he even love me if he doesn't love all the sick people out there? How?
Babes, I get you. But please, try and talk to him. He said he's been calling you all morning, but you've refused to take his calls. Please.
I'm not ready to talk to him.
Please now, babes.
I'm not.
Don't deprive him of his time with you. Not now, not at this moment.
When I'm almost dying, right?
Oh, please stop it. Put yourself in his shoes, in our shoes. How would you feel if the tables were reversed? How? Please, love it, I'm begging you. Talk to him, please.
That's fine, I'll give him a call.
That's my girl. Hope you're enjoying the ice cream. You're smiling now, you're not smiling. Can I have a smile?
Oh, wait, Joe.
I'll take my ice cream. That's it.
Just because you bought me ice cream.
But you're enjoying it now.
And you ruined it.
Today was a very good day.
Yeah.
I wish I had more time. There's so much I want to do.
Me too. Too bad. The clock is ticking against us.
I'm in love with you, love it.
I have feelings for you too. Feelings I can't act on.
I'm going to die a happy man.
I wish death never comes for us.
Even if it comes, I hope there's an afterlife. So that I can be with you again. Come right in.
Why is this place so dark?
Why don't you turn the lights on? This is for you.
Thank you.
So, I'm trying to create a little party for us. I hope you came with your full energy.
Yes.
It's about to turn into a clubhouse. Yeah. That's for you.
Okay.
Right there. And that's me. Yeah. Before I play the music, we need to create memories, okay? So, I'm sorry. Yeah. Stop laughing. Alright, so look, this are breaking all the rules, okay? You can even lock the door, play music, and we're eating.
We're playing music. No, see.
That's a little fun.
Oh, every night I'll be the one to hold your hands. Every night I'll be the one to wipe your tears. Every night I'll be the one to hold your hand. Every time, yeah.
Thank you. You okay? Are you sure? No, good morning, Nazitha. Morning. Please, can I see him?
Love it. You can't see him at the moment.
Why?
He's indisposed.
Is everything okay?
Yes, he's fine.
Okay, can I just, I just want to say, like, good morning to him too.
Don't worry. You'll see him later, just in a couple of hours. Go back to your room.
In a couple of hours? Is he fine?
Yes, he's fine.
Okay, thank you. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go to your room.
Okay, sorry about that. Sorry.
Lover, what is it? Baby, are you okay? Are you sure? No, you're not okay. No, you're not okay. Just stay there, stay there, stay there. What is it now? It's not okay.
Just stay there. Stay there. Talk to me. Just be there. Just be there. Don't go there.
He's fine. Lovers, calm down.
Where is he?
He's in the ICU.
God. Please, can I just see him? Please. Please don't jump me down. Can I just see him? Please, I just want to see him. I beg you, please.
Love it. Hold on. right now, he's not doing well. So no one is allowed in there.
Please! No family members there, nobody.
There is no one.
Can I just see him? I beg you, in the name of God, please.
I wish I can help you.
Love it. Take it easy now. What is it? Take it easy now. No smoke, please.
I know that you miss me. I'm looking everywhere for you. Feel this
See, someone missed me a lot.
You do have my back.
See you again.
I told you.
Tell me that you
I'm hard to kill.
How are you feeling?
I wanna stay with you
Look,
by my side.
why don't we do something? Why don't we go out and lay down there and watch the moon?
That's not advisable.
Oh, yes.
You look really weak.
Is it your week?
You're very stubborn.
If you don't agree to go with me, I will drag myself out. I'll drag you. I'll drag myself all the way out there. You know me.
I know you, but that's not a good idea. Look at you, you can't even walk.
I said so.
You can't.
I can.
You can't. Sorry.
Look, I just want to lie down and watch the moon with you. Okay. Alright, grab what you can grab. Pillow, blanket, whatever you can grab. Let's go. Okay.
Let me help you.
No.
I can't. Let me help you.
No, I got this.
Are you sure?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Let me help you. No, let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you.
I want to stay with you.
Sorry.
I'm fine.
By my side, we may not have a plan, but you're really in my heart. I want to stay with you in your darkest hours and dance with you in the rain when it's over.
I'll give you more than this world. I'll give you love without odds. I'll give you more than these words. I'll bring more things. I'll be your light in your darkness. I'll give you though I'm not God. I'll give you more than my words. I'll give you more than these words. I'll bring more things. I'll be your light in your blindness.
For you are my beautiful woman. For you are my beautiful woman. For you are my beautiful woman. For you are my beautiful woman.
I'll give you all of my heart, 'cause I know you won't tear it apart. This journey with you I start, love till the very end, yeah. You are my beautiful man. I'll give you all of my heart, 'cause I know you won't tear it apart. This journey with you I start, love till the very end, yeah. You are my beautiful man. For you are my beautiful man. For you are my beautiful man. For you are my beautiful man.
I just want to watch the movie.
For you are my beautiful man.
You always said there will be my heart. So beg you made for a little night. I'll never let my fire calling in my name. I'll bet the one that you pray. You could always in my high fire. You could always in my dreams calling. I'll do the necessary, Charlie will do, yeah.
Sad days are gone, now it's laughter, yeah. Brighter days ahead with you, I'm stronger. This love is all we carry, for me, for you, for we. And there's no denying it. Yeah.
Michael!
My heart is over.
Nastasia! Michael!
As long
Wait,
as you are in
Michael!
my world is okay. I'll do the necessary, surely you will do, yeah. You are
Michael! 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 Michael!
my God. What?
Try to let me stand something on my mind. Sometimes I wonder why grass will always feeling like the Lord. Try to understand. What's God is able to do more than what you think he can do. Yeah, yeah, God is able to do more than all, more than all. God is able to do.
I want to see my girl. I want to see my girl. I want to see his body.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Lavender.
I want to see my girl. I want to see his body. I want to see my...
His family came to get him.
His family? What family?
Yes. He only asked us to call them when he's dead. He also asked me to give you this. He said he will know what to do with them.
When? Bucket list. For David. Dad. These ones. It's the bucket list. It's the bucket. That's the bucket.
It's okay. Just get up. Get up.
Oh my God.
Michael died.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry, okay? I wasn't sensitive and stupid. Please forgive me. I'm begging you, okay? I wish I could take back the hands of time.
Look. I'm sorry we can't be an item anymore. Look, I love you, but I can't keep tying you to myself. I just feel like I'm tying you, and I might be dying very soon. I just wouldn't want you to mourn me when I die. It hurts losing someone close to you. I wouldn't want to do that to you.
Babe, please. I know what I said hurt you, okay? I know that. But please, don't do this to me.
It's not about what you said. It's about me. I just want you to live your life. I just want you to go out there and live your life. Please understand me, please.
Babe, but that is my decision.
I know, but I feel like I'm tying you, and I don't want to.
You're not tying me.
I am tying you. Please, I really love you, but I don't want to do this to you. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want when I'm gone. I don't want you mourning. Please.
I'm not sad.
You are sad. I just can't look like I don't love you anymore. Yes, I said it. I'm sorry. I don't love you anymore. I'm sorry.
Please just let me know. I cannot take it no more.
Because of him, right?
I am sorry, Ken. I am sorry. What? I'm sorry. I just want you guys to take care of yourself. Hey. Just promise me something. What? Promise me you guys will look out for each other when I'm dead. No, hold on. You guys just hold on. You look out for each other and you take care of my mom.
You're not going
I
anywhere.
know I'm dying.
You're not
just
going
need you when I'm gone. Just be there for my mother, please.
I promise, but you're not going anywhere.
Look out for each other, please.
Stop! You're not dying. You're not going anywhere, please.
Oh my God, died.
You will stay here with me.
It has been 3 weeks, love it. Get a grip on yourself, otherwise grief will kill you before this disease does.
I don't want to die. I've been waiting to die so I can be with you.
Shut up!
I want to die!
Shut up!
Let me die!
I said you should shut up!
Let me
What
die!
do you mean you want to die?
I want to die!
Like me that have been in this hospital for how many months? You think he wants you to die? Is that what you're thinking? He wants you to move on with your life.
Yeah, I've been trying to move on, but I can't. He entrusted so much with me that I don't even know if I'll live long enough to do all of them.
You will do it. You will do it, and you have to do it. You have to stay and fight and do the only thing he asks of you.
The power of life and death lies with God.
You see yourself. They have come to know why we are shouting. They've heard your voice.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, doctor.
Miss Lovett, how are you today?
She's fine.
We have great news.
Okay, what is the news about?
We carried out a series of tests on your daughter a week ago. Physical exams, and all shows that all signs of cancer are gone.
Jesus! Jesus!
Yes, I can say that all signs and symptoms of cancer in your body has disappeared. You are in complete remission.
I know it! I know it! I know it! But I thank you!
But that doesn't mean you are totally cured.
She's totally cured! She's totally cured!
For now, we cannot detect cancer in your body. I will advise that you come in for checkups and physical examination.
Wow! Wow! Thank you, Jesus! My Lord, I give you praise! I thank you! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! This is you! Mommy! Oh my God!
God is able more than all you think you can do. Yeah, yeah, God is able to do more than all, more than all. Oh, God is able to do more than all you think you can do. Yeah, yeah, God is able to do.
Harry looks different.
I know. Come in. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Why are you still crying? I'm fine. I'm fine. Fine. Yeah, I know. I'm just happy that you're back home. I mean, I've prayed for this day and now that it's finally here, I can't help but cry. You're such an amazing friend. You're so amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything, and this frame kept me going. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
It's good to have you back home, love.
Guys, stop, you guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Stop saying thank you. You know, I just wish I could scream it from the mountaintop that my friend is cancer-free.
Well, no one will hear you from the mountain, because people don't live close to the mountain.
Who cares about the mountains when I have been disturbing them on all my social media platforms? Social media is mountain enough. True that.
Kenny and Isabel, I want to use this opportunity to say a very huge thank you to both of you for being with my daughter all through this trying period. I saw all you did, and I appreciate all of it. And I pray that God in His infinite mercy will meet you at the point of your need.
Amen.
Amen.
Both of you.
Amen.
We are all family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, babes. Now that you're out of the hospital, there's a lot of fun to be had, and trust me, you didn't miss much. And you can as well make up for the lost times by coming out from your shell and going out there to have mad fun.
Okay.
And I am willing
Oh gosh.
and ready to be your chaperone.
Okay, when I feel get back my body and maybe grow my hair. You know how much I love my natural hair.
What?
But you know how much I love my natural hair.
Yeah, I
I'm
do.
in love with all these.
Bald is the new sexy now, no. I mean, girls on low cut are getting all the men.
Really?
Yeah, and guys nowadays, no one spend money for expensive wig. Yeah, and if you think I'm lying, you can ask me.
No, there's no asking me. Come on. You're beautiful with or without your hair. That's what Auntie Lisa is trying to say.
Yeah. So when do we start?
Tomorrow.
What?
Good.
I need to go upstairs.
See how you just killed the vibe.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm out in the kitchen.
Oh yeah, some food. I made rice, okay? So go to the kitchen and I prepare yourself.
Okay, I'll join her.
Be careful, love.
Stop.
What? You know I've missed you.
You missed the sex and that's all.
Fine, I missed the sex. What's there? Come on now.
What's not there? We have to stop doing this. She's back now.
Yeah, I know, but then, come on, it's just a kiss.
Stop. I don't want trouble, please.
I want trouble.
I don't want Lovett's trouble, please.
But there's no, it's just you and I here. It's just a kiss. Come on.
It's not what you think. How long? Shh. How long? Shh. Don't come close. Just answer my question. Don't come close. How long? How long does this go on? How long? Just tell me how long. How long?
It's not been long.
How?
Look,
How
please.
long?
Just started when you went to the hospital.
Jesus. Since I went to the hospital, both of you have been sleeping with each other, praying for me to die. You were praying for me to die.
No, please.
God.
I'm sorry.
I will never pray for your death, never. My love.
Don't you dare call me that name.
Wait, believe me, I never prayed for you to die. We were just heartbroken by this situation, and in our moments of grief, we
what? I can't believe this. You what?
I'm sorry.
You guys are... Jesus. Don't you dare Because you disgust me. I abhor you. God, and I trusted you and I thought I had the perfect friends. I would have died believing I had the best friends ever. Gosh.
I'm sorry, please.
Oh my God, you were lying in my face. You guys don't come close to me. You were sleeping with each other. You thought I would never know. You guys were praying for me to die. Because you thought I was going to die. Get out of my house. Get out. Get out. Don't touch me. No, get out. Get out.
Sorry, please. I'm sorry.
We should never knew so. You falling out of love to it. I wish I never saw this, so I got so blind. I wish I was never by your side. I wish I could pray that I shouldn't date you, but what you did has created more than was. I wish you could well, but it would be mean. I wish I wasn't good at this point. I wish I never fell for a one like you. I wish I never met you. Oh, you. Oh, you. You. Don't let me hate you. Don't let me down. Every time you try to make me look bad, I try to fight, but I look way back to the love I have for you. You look into my eyes and give me lies. Told me that you love me to the moon. I just never saw this coming. No, but I will learn to
Makes it easier.
To leave you.
Defeat.
With a guy you wish you never knew, so you falling.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Loveth, Michael's friend.
I'm Mrs. Okoye. The security told me you had something for us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a message for you from Michael.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Oh. Honey, we have a visitor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, young lady. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
She said she's
Loveth.
Loveth, Micah's friend. Said she has something for us.
Oh. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me call the maid to get you something to drink.
Okay, ma'am. But water is fine because I'm just recovering.
You are sick too?
Yes, ma'am. That was how I met Michael.
Oh, I see.
I'm happy for you, but my son Michael didn't make it.
I'm so sorry for your loss, ma'am.
No, this is too much. This is too much.
I'm so sorry, ma. I'm really sorry, ma. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I vowed never to forgive Michael after depriving me of the opportunity to spend the last moment with him. And he ruined the family.
I know.
And he left for reasons best known to him.
I'm so sorry.
Can you imagine you receiving a call from nowhere telling you your son is dead and in the morgue? Can you imagine how devastated I was?
Yes, ma, I know. I'm so sorry.
So devastated!
Easy, honey. Huh? Take it easy.
When I got to the hospital, I found out that my son has been there for the past 6 months. was there for 6 good months.
I'm so sorry.
Hey, Chibo!
I'm so sorry.
He said he had cancer.
I'm so sorry.
Ah! Michael has shredded me into
Sorry. Take it easy.
different.
Take
He shredded me into pieces. Can you? Oh no! No! This is not good. Michael! He shredded me into pieces.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry.
I can't stand it anymore. I can't.
See,
No!
easy.
No!
You cannot be going through this.
No, Michael! Michael's broken me! Oh, no!
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Young lady, Michael could have given us this letter by himself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He could have made amends by himself.
Yes, sir. I know.
He's our child. We will forgive him.
Yes.
We will not throw him away, no matter what. Now he left on his own because he could not live with himself after what he did.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. Sir, if I may ask, please, what did Michael do?
He didn't tell you?
No, he didn't.
I guess it's for the best then.
Sir, please, Ma, whatever he did, just please forgive him. Please.
We are forgiving him long before now. We have.
Sadly.
If not, he wouldn't have been invited, allowed in here by now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I still have other things to do because he asked me to. But I will need your help. I need your help. Only yours had an address on it. But David and Amara, I don't know how to contact them.
David is his brother. He lives in Abuja. And I'm very certain he's not ready for any conversation that regards Michael.
And for the good reasons too.
What did Michael do?
It is not in our place to tell you.
Okay. From the letter, I found out that Michael had a son.
Oh, I didn't know about it. He didn't tell me about it.
Well, we would go and look for both the mother and child and take very good care of them, since that is the only legacy he left behind for us. Yes?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ma.
Take good care of them.
Thank you, Ma.
You don't have to thank us. It is our responsibility. We'll find them. And when David returns, we'll contact you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I would have to take my leave now. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, Ma. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Can you imagine how devastated I was? He shredded me into pieces! Can you? Oh, no! No, this is not good.
God, Michael, I'm so scared to continue. I do not know what else I will learn about you. Your parents keep talking about something horrible you did, but no one is telling me anything. No one. You kept me in the dark. Please help me. This scares me. I mean, the hurt in your mother's eyes, the pain in your father's face. God, I need your help. Please.
What are you doing? Please. I don't understand. What do you mean forgive you? Please. Isabel, what are you doing in my house?
Babes, I'm sorry.
You're sorry about what? What are you sorry for? Isabel, where do you want me to start forgiving you from? Where? Knowing while I was on that sick bed, you were screaming my boyfriend?
No.
Isabel, if tables were turned, would you forgive me?
I'm sorry.
Would you forgive me? I thought as much. So all that I got you got me shit. Was you indirectly telling me you were screaming my boyfriend?
No. Babes, I can't go on knowing you can't forgive me. I'm sorry.
Isabel, I don't hate you.
You're my only friend and I love it.
If you loved me, you wouldn't do this to me. Look, I don't hate you and I've forgiven you. I just can't be friends with you anymore.
But you said you didn't want him. You wanted Michael. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Listen to yourself. Isabel, just listen to yourself. I loved Kenny. And Kenny meant everything to me. He meant every single thing to me, even before I met Michael. And you started your shit before I met Michael, so don't stand here and tell me nonsense!
I'm sorry, please.
Just get out of my house.
It all happened in a moment of grief and trust me, it meant nothing.
It meant nothing, yet you guys continued in my kitchen? I don't want to push you out. Just take it back and I'm sorry, just get out. Just leave, please. Love, please forgive her. It's okay. She wants everything to me. She's my best friend.
I know, my dear. I know how close both of you were. You guys were like sisters, even from childhood. But my daughter, I would want you to forgive her. You've been given another chance at life, remember? It's been less than a month we came back from the hospital. It would have been a month that you were dead. You were given another chance. Please.
You just hurt.
I know. Okay, let's do it this way. Even if you don't want to be friends with her anymore, it's fine. But just try and forgive her for your peace and even hers too.
You're so hurt.
I know. I know.
You hurt.
I totally understand. I know. So, okay? It's well with you. Huh?
What are you doing? I'm just trying to further my CV to get a job.
Loved, you did not survive this deadly sickness for you to come and start worrying yourself. over getting a job.
Mom, look, I'm just confused. I don't know what to do with my life. One day I'm getting ready to die. The next day I have a life ahead of me. I don't even know what to do. I just feel getting a job is a good start.
I know. I agree with you that getting a job is the best way to start. But how about your... Is it wish list or bucket list?
Wish list, bucket list, they're the same thing. Please.
So, how far have you gone with it? Are you done with it?
Not yet. I haven't heard from his parents concerning his brother and Amara. They've just been silent.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine soon. You will hear from them.
Yes, I just need to do another CV. This one's outdated.
You have to take these things one after the other.
I know, I just...
Remember I promised.
I'll get a job.
Hi. So I want something really strong. Maybe like vodka? Yeah. Something very strong. Yeah. Thank you. So what do? I squeeze this into the vodka? This tastes like acid, but I like it. I like.
Okay, please, fresh.
Jesus.
Is everything okay?
Jesus. 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 Wait. Jesus, wait.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You look sick.
Okay, gosh, I feel like I'm going to be sick. Jesus. It's like I'm seeing a ghost.
What?
Michael.
Michael, that's my twin brother.
Michael has a twin brother? David! You're David! David! I've been looking for you, like I've been looking everywhere for you. I went to your mom, I went to your mom's house, and I saw your mom, I saw your dad, and they told me don't call. Yeah, because your brother gave me something to give you.
Why are you looking for me?
He gave me something to give you, and Jesus! Like I've been looking for you everywhere.
Sorry, excuse me. If it's about my brother, I don't want to hear anything that concerns him, okay?
No, hold on.
Please, just
he gave me a letter
nice
to
day.
give you, sir.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry. Gosh, I should have taken it easy. Wait! Excuse me! Hold on! Hey, please, look, please. Well, if you can, just a minute, please.
What do you want from me?
Just a minute. Please, I need to talk to you, please. Just a minute. 1 minute, and I'm done.
Honestly, I am not interested in
I'm begging you, please. Please, just listen. Hear me out, please. Please.
Come inside.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what is it you said you want to tell me about my brother?
Okay. So your brother gave me a letter to give you.
You know my brother?
Yes, I do know him. We met at the hospital. We're patients there. I had lung cancer.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's all right.
I know I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm on remission now, so I'm good.
You're lucky.
Thank you. I am. Just thank God.
Oh, my mom told me about someone that, brought letters to the house, and I really wasn't interested in listening to what she had to say. I was not in that mood.
Okay.
But it's surprising how you ran into me here.
I mean, it's fate.
I don't believe in fate.
Oh, well, you sound so much like your brother.
No, I'm nothing like him.
Okay.
So what about the letter? Do you have it here?
Yeah, no, it's in the house. And my house isn't just... It's not far from here. If you can drive down to the house.
Alright, you didn't drive?
No, I didn't.
Alright. You sit down.
Thank you.
Sorry about the way I spoke to you.
It's alright. I mean, it's understandable.
Jesus! That was my reaction the first time I saw him too. David, meet my mom.
Oh, come. It's not my call.
Let me go get the letter.
Sure. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Please sit.
Thank you.
That's the brother, that's not him. Yes.
You and your brother look so much alike. Wow. What is this? Welcome.
Thank you.
My mom she's stunned.
So when we were sick, Michael and I, we made a wish list, more like a bucket list of the things we would do if we survived. And he only agreed to it based on two conditions. One was that whoever leaves will fulfill the other person's bucket list. And if we both die, the list dies with us. The second one was we made a promise not to open the letter at all until one of us dies. I mean, it was a cool arrangement at first, but I didn't realize what Michael's list would contain. Mine, as you can see, are just a bunch of things I wanted to do. Just silly things.
You want to have lots of sex?
Jesus, Lord.
Mom, relax. I'm an adult. What? Okay, let me just have my list, please. Stop. Just.
I thought it was part of the whole...
No, that's my own list.
Okay.
It's okay. Michael's list took me by surprise. I've been able to contact your parents because Via's had an address and they told me they would reach out to me when you were in town. Thankfully, we ran into each other.
It's just that I live in Abuja, so I'm in town from time to time. And sometimes I don't let them know I'm around till stay about 3 days or so.
Okay.
Let me just read this.
What are you saying, Dad? You have no rights, absolutely no rights, Dad. I mean, look, I have every single right to your wealth and your properties, the same way Dave has access to your stuff, okay? I'm your fresh son. I was born before this dude.
Michael, you're lying. Who told you that? Huh? Michael, you're ruthless. Michael, you are extravagant. Michael, he make everything. He make everything in Michael. Yeah? So you want me to put my company and everything I've worked for my entire life in your hands? Who does that? No, tell me, who does that? For someone like you? For someone like you? No. Michael, I just gave you the Enugu arms of the company to manage. Just for experiment. And what happened to it? You know everything. You know, yeah. You spend everything in one go. You spend my money in alcohol and useless things. And here you are telling me I'm the first son, I have right, I have left. That shows that you have nothing in that boss you are carrying there called head. And listen very good. I am going to hand everything over to money to your brother here. David, your brother here. And that's final.
So good. All I hear you say is Michael this, Michael that, Michael this. You want to put Dave in charge of me, right?
Yeah.
But that, what about dead bodies that gonna happen?
You just said it with your mouth. Get ready to die, Michael. Because I will never give you anything to manage for me.
Oh, what?
Please. Please forgive him, please. 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 On behalf of your brother, please. Have mercy.
Please get up, please.
Please.
Please get up, okay? You've done enough for him already. I mean, you've helped him right his wrongs. Something that he couldn't do by himself. I'm sure he was too embarrassed. Too embarrassed to do these things himself.
Yeah. I'm sorry to ask, but what is it he did that is so bad that you can't forgive him? I'm sorry if this makes you uncomfortable.
He sent hitmen to kill me. They shot at me and they left me for dead. I was in coma for more than 2 weeks.
Blood of Jesus.
Michael wanted my father's wealth so much, and he was ready to kill for it. He was ready to go any extent to achieve it. I mean, after the hitman shot at me and I managed to survive it, they were caught.
Wow.
And Michael fled. He ran away from the country. No one knew where he was. No one could find him. I mean, for Christ's sakes, we didn't even know if he was dead or alive.
Oh my God.
He just fled. For 2 years, I didn't see my brother. I didn't know where my brother was. And out of the blue, I get a phone call saying he's dead.
So sorry.
Look, what really hurts me is the fact that for months before he died, he was in the country. He was around. Yes, he was sick, but he didn't try to reach out to anyone. My parents, our parents, were left devastated. They were sad because they didn't know where their son was.
I know.
He couldn't understand. And me, his brother. I mean, he couldn't even try to reach out to me.
I know.
He could have done this himself. He could have done this himself.
Gosh, I really understand. I'm so sorry. Did your mother tell you about all these? Anything about all this? What I told her?
I mean, my parents, our parents, we left them sad because they didn't know where he was. He denied us the chance of spending his last moments with him.
I know.
I mean, his brother.
I know.
He didn't even try to reconnect with me. I mean, he could have done all this himself. He could have done all this himself.
I would have made him like do the right thing if I had an idea of the content of his bucket list. Just please forgive him so he can rest. Please.
Yes, my son. Please forgive your brother. Please.
Please.
I forgive him.
Thank you.
I forgive him. I know Amara. But I don't know who Junior is. I know that he was dating Amara for well over 2 years. They were on and off. But I don't know if Amara is the mother of the child we spoke about.
Okay. Did your mother tell you anything about all this? Like what I told her?
Yeah. She told me about the lady that that should be you. That came to see her with letters from Michael, and she spoke about how Michael wanted about forgiveness. But I don't get it. I don't get it. He didn't try. He didn't try to reconnect with his family, with his brother. He didn't try to reconnect with any of us. Instead, he left it to a total stranger. I'm sorry, but it's what it is. He left it to a stranger to clean up his mess.
It's okay, I understand. I understand. I do understand.
It's okay. Tomorrow I'll take you to meet Amara.
Thank you.
I should be able to find her.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, can I get water?
Sure.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Hey, Amara. Hi, it's me, Dave.
What do you want, David? I thought I told your brother I don't want to see him again. And he sent you?
Michael is dead.
So sorry.
He really died of cancer?
You knew he had cancer?
He was here 6 months ago. Telling me how he had cancer and how he was dying. He wanted to see his son, but I didn't let him. I thought he was trying to get back into my life, and I told him I wish he dies.
So sorry.
Oh God, I'm sorry. You know how he was to me?
Yeah.
I just couldn't forgive him.
It's okay. By the way, this is Lovett. She was in the hospital at the same time with Michael. They both had cancer, but now she's on remission.
I'm so sorry about everything. So he told me to do this.
Amara, my friend, my love, the mother of my child, the woman who gave me everything and got nothing but disrespect. I hate myself for all I put you through. for all I did, for all I put you through.
Amara, where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
You went to see your friend. So, Amara, you're now carrying your pregnancy to go and sleep with men around.
How will you say this to me, Michael? I just went to see my friend. You know her.
You left my house to go and look for.
You know I would never do that to you, Michael. You know I would never do that to you. Oh my God!
You are very
Michael, please, baby. Oh, no, you know I would never do that.
You are not
You know I would never do that. No, no.
Next time, leave my house. Go and look for man. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Go and look for man. Get out. Get out.
He used to beat me. Jesus. Not once. Not twice. Constantly. For the slightest things. Sometimes he's as sweet as an angel. Other times he's the devil himself.
Yeah. That's the Michael I know.
Jesus, this makes me wonder at the part of Michael I met.
Look, Robert, I don't want you feeling bad about this, okay? The Michael you met was a dying man, and he was trying to right his wrongs. That's the picture you should see in your head all the time. Okay?
He dropped his pen and documents for his son. According to this letter, he wants us to move to his apartment in Lekki.
Yeah, I can move you in there tomorrow if it's okay by you.
I've been meaning to ask where you and Micah are an item.
No, but we loved each other. And I saw parts of him, beautiful parts of him, but the Michael I've heard about these past weeks, I don't think I'm happy about it. But I'm glad I met him. I'm glad that I met the better part of him, the better version of him. We loved each other, but we just didn't do anything because I had a boyfriend at the time. We were both sick and we're just concerned about, surviving the next day.
Oh, yeah. I thought you guys were.
No, we didn't.
I'm so sorry for your loss, David. I know how close you guys were. He always talked about you, even though I met you just once.
Thank you, Amara. Thank you for forgiving my brother. I just want you to know that I'll always be there for you, okay? No matter what. And your son, is he around?
Yeah, I'm about taking him to his crèche.
Oh, yeah, is it okay if I see him?
Okay, just hold on.
Oh my God. Hi.
Come here. Oh, look at you. Give me 5. Okay, I'm Uncle Dave, and I want you to know tomorrow I will come and pick you. I will go and see Grandpa and Grandma, and they will be happy to see you, okay? Give me 5. Oh, so cute. They'll be so happy to see you.
Okay, so we're already running late now, so we have to take him to the
Can I drop you guys?
No, Dudu. It's not a bother. It's just a few blocks away.
Oh, okay.
Proceed.
All right, yeah. All right, take care.
Bye.
I'll be in touch.
Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, see you.
All right,
bye.
Bye. Till tomorrow.
Sure.
Bye. Bye.
So adorable.
So, you and Michael will never,
No, never.
Oh. So, can I take you out on a date tomorrow, 6 p.m.?
6 p.m.
And it has nothing to do with your wish list.
Stop it.
So you know.
Which of them? Which of them?
You know the things you are asking for your wish list has nothing to do with it.
I know you must know who I really am by now. I never claimed to be a saint, but I never told you I was Satan's apprentice either. That was who I was before I met you. I am sorry I deceived you. I couldn't face my family or Amara. And when I found out death was coming for me, I chickened out completely. But when you brought up the idea of a wish list, I thought was not have her to do the dirty work for me. And for that, I am sorry. My mess was mine to take care of, not yours. Even while I write this, I wish I had more time to do things differently. You must have met my brother. He's an amazing young man. I know this because I have known him 30 years now. Please, watch over him and my parents too. Also, keep an eye on Junior and Amara. Cancer may have killed me, but it brought you to me, and for that, I am grateful.
I'm gonna wait till the end. I'm gonna wait for you.